Here's the 60-second script. Ever needed the inverse hyperbolic sine, cosine, or tangent of a number and realized your standard calculator just doesn't have it? Engineers, mathematicians, and physics students hit this wall constantly. That's exactly why we built the Inverse Hyperbolic Interactive Calculator. Just enter any real number, select your function, sin, cosh, or tangent, and get your result instantly with full decimal precision. Let's try it. Say you're working with a value of 2.5 and need the inverse hyperbolic sine. Type in 2.5, hit calculate, and there it is, approximately 1.6472. Done in seconds, no manual formula needed. Whether you're solving differential equations, modeling wave behavior, or just checking your homework, this tool handles the heavy lifting for you. It's completely free, works in your browser, and requires zero sign-up. Give it a try using the link below. Word count,